लाखों स्टूडेंट्स की लाइफ यहाँ पे ट्रांसफॉर्म हुई है।
आरपीएस की सबसे बड़ी खूबी है कि एक जमीन से जुड़ा हुआ ग्रुप है।
ऐसा फील हो रहा था कि यू ओन दिस स्कूल, दिस ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूट्स।
Every single employee in RPS, feels as if the group is his or her own group. जैसे मेरा स्कूल है।
पहले टीचर भी रह चुके हैं एंड देन एजुकेशन लेवल पे एक लीडर बनना, एक प्रिंसिपल बनना, किस रोल में आपको ज़्यादा मज़ा आता था?
I am an educator first and
Right.
administrator later.
सीइंग द स्टूडेंट्स जिनके पास इंटरनेट फैसिलिटी बहुत फास्ट है, एवरी इंफॉर्मेशन इज जस्ट फ्यू क्लिक्स अवे एंड एट द सेम टाइम लॉट ऑफ डिस्ट्रैक्शन।
I feel that we are raising a generation of narcissists.
Hello everyone, welcome to Eminent Publication Podcast. I am in the office of Mrs. Kiran Yadav ma'am, Principal of RPS International School, गुड़गांव। और मैं बहुत फॉर्चुनेट हूँ मैम के सामने बैठकर। आई एम रियली हैप्पी। कुछ एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस और कुछ ऐसे क्वेश्चंस हम पूछेंगे बच्चों के फ्यूचर को लेकर, पेरेंट्स के साथ उनका कैसा रिलेशनशिप होना चाहिए, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस से रिलेटेड बातें हम पूछेंगे, मेडिटेशन और योगा पे हम बात करने वाले हैं। बहुत सारे ऐसे क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे जो आज की डेट में हर स्टूडेंट को चाहिए।
Thank you so much, Supreet sir. First of all, thank you for doing me the honors of having me over on such an intellectual platform and to be with you, to explore the dimensions of education with you. It would indeed be an honor for me. Thank you so much.
ma'am. Thank you.
you.
Shall we start?
जी।
RPS ग्रुप एक बहुत ही बड़ा ट्रस्टेड नाम बन चुका है। लाखों स्टूडेंट्स की लाइफ यहाँ पे ट्रांसफॉर्म हुई है। ऐसा क्या डिफरेंट ये स्कूल कर रहा है, इस बारे में आप जरूर हमें बताएं।
सुप्रीत सर, आई थिंक कोई भी जो अच्छी चीज है, अगर वो जमीन से जुड़ी है तो मुझे लगता है उसके फ्रूटफुल होने के चांसेस बढ़ जाते हैं। आरपीएस की सबसे बड़ी खूबी है कि एक जमीन से जुड़ा हुआ ग्रुप है।
वाओ।
एक पौधा जो 1998 में हमारे बाबूजी डॉक्टर ओपी यादव, ही इज राइट देयर वाचिंग ओवर अस, उन्होंने जो लगाया और जिस तरह से ये वट वृक्ष बना, वो किस ईमानदारी से वो पौधा लगाया गया। ये फल जो है ये उस ईमानदारी का ही एक बाय प्रोडक्ट है। सो आई थिंक सबसे पहले ज़रूरी है कि इंटेंशन क्या है उसके पीछे और किस ऑनेस्टी के साथ वो चीज़ की गई है। ऑनरेबल चेयरपर्सन मैम डॉक्टर पवित्रा राव एंड आवर ऑनरेबल सीईओ सर इंजीनियर मनीष राव, जिस तरह से वो बाबूजी के सपने को आगे लेके गए, और अब तो हमारी तीसरी पीढ़ी भी आ चुकी है। मिस्टर कुणाल राव जो हमारी चेयरपर्सन मैम के बेटे हैं, वो भी अब पूरी भागीदारी के साथ में काम कर रहे हैं ग्रुप में। तो वो now if you see, there are very soon it will be 20 institutions. Currently there are 18 and now 2 more institutions are coming up. And महिंद्रगढ़ से मिलेनियम सिटी तक ये जर्नी बहुत ही अमेजिंग रही है, जिसको हमें भी कुछ सालों से विटनेस करने का एक मौका मिला।
तो हम जितना अच्छे से आपने इसका आंसर दिया है, ऐसा फील हो रहा था कि you own this school, this group of institutes.
Actually, Mr. Batra, I think it depends a lot on the management.
Yeah.
We are fortunate to have a management who has given us that kind of freedom, that kind of a scope to feel as if every single employee in RPS, feels as if the group is his or her own group.
Wow.
जैसे मेरा स्कूल है, एक वो वाली फीलिंग। और सिर्फ एम्प्लॉयज में ही नहीं, बल्कि पेरेंट्स में, बच्चों में।
पहले टीचर भी रह चुके हैं एंड देन एजुकेशन लेवल पे एक लीडर बनना, एक प्रिंसिपल बनना, किस रोल में आपको ज़्यादा मज़ा आता था, बीइंग अ टीचर और एट बीइंग एट दिस पोजीशन?
Wow, that's an interesting question. A major part of my career has gone into being a teacher. I mean, I think I always say that to my parents and students that I am an educator first and
Right.
administrator later. Because, I think बहुत ज़रूरी है that we put our feet in their shoes all the time. When
True.
your team is working out there in the field, You know, when you are a teacher at heart, you understand your children better, you understand your students better. Sometimes an administrator might have her office closed or unapproachable for
Yeah.
people,
Hmm.
but an educator will always be accessible.
True.
And that is what all the principals, that is one thing, sir, that I would want to share, that all the principals at RPS, they have an open door policy.
Okay.
And so much so that our management would say, don't use the word appointment. Just keep your doors open all the time, 24/7. If you're not available here, be available on phone.
Wow.
So, being a teacher at heart allows me to be available all the time to my students, understand them better, my team, the teachers, because I can empathize with their issues, I think, more closely. But yes, again, now I'll not say that I don't enjoy being a principal, because being a principal allows you to run an institution on your vision.
Hmm.
That's a
True.
huge thing. That sort of expands your horizons to wherever, to whatever extent. You can do anything. You can go to any great lengths to give children something to remember for life.
Yes.
बहुत लंबे वक्त तक के लिए आप यादें छोड़ सकते हैं बच्चों के दिलों में. आप कुछ इतना अच्छा दे सकते हैं उनको. आपके पास वो मौका है, वो अपॉर्चुनिटी है कि आप कुछ अच्छा सोचें और अपनी टीम को उस काबिल बनाएं कि वो कुछ उतना अच्छा करें अपने स्टूडेंट्स के लिए.
Right.
So I think in a way being a principal is certainly more empowering.
I was recalling that my childhood days, assembly में I used to go attend the prayer all because principal ma'am ने last में एक speech देनी होती
Oh
थी.
wow,
She used to speak so well.
amazing.
Exam भी है. She used to motivate so well and ऐसी communication skills, and now I can see you.
Wow. I mean, imagine the impact
Yeah.
that
That I still
you've done your
remember after
college,
20
you are
years.
at this level, after
Yeah.
such a long time, you still remember that impact.
Yes.
And in all probabilities, you might be passing on that impact to the next generations.
Yes, correct.
So see, you can leave your legacy in a far better way,
Yeah.
far impactful way.
Yes, yes. Even my best friend used to say, भसीन मैम को सुन लिया, मजा आ गया.
Wow.
एग्जाम अच्छा जाएगा.
Yeah, wonderful. If ma'am would see this podcast, I think she would really be proud.
She'll be
you know.
proud.
Yeah.
So मैम, आजकल के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं, नई जनरेशन, आपने डेकेड्स कितने सालों से आपने पढ़ाया हुआ है?
Sir, 25 years.
25 years. So you have
this is
seen-
26th year going on right now.
True. Currently सिचुएशन कैसी है? Seeing the students जिनके पास इंटरनेट फैसिलिटी बहुत फास्ट है, every information is just few clicks away, and at the same time lot of distraction.
Lot of distraction. You said it all yourself. Yes, that's a concern.
So
That's a
how
concern.
you're handling this?
Ji. Mr. Batra, actually, students are very sharp.
Yeah.
They are the children of the era of AI,
True.
computers. So they're very sharp. Really, sometimes I get envious of their smartness. They're so smart. One major concern that I feel for them is their emotional quotient.
True.
I think that is somehow going a little down. I think they have become more of lone wolves rather than a community person, rather than team builders. I'm sorry if I don't sound politically correct, but it seems that sometimes it seems, sorry if the word is a little harsh, I feel that we are raising a generation of narcissists. Because it's only me and me on topmost priority. Yes, me used to be the topmost priority even in our times, but we would not say that out loud. We would consider other people. We would consider the community. For example, if you are a part of a class, you would think of your own comfort, but at the same time, you would be a little more concerned about the comfort of others as well.
Right.
That is somewhere going a little missing in the generation.
Yeah.
So that is one of the concerns. I think they have really sharp IQs,
Hmm.
EQs, if we could work on a little more,
True.
that would be great,
Yes.
because they already have everything else.
Hmm.
It is just that we have to help them in sorting themselves a little more here. Here they need a little more sorting,
Yeah.
a little more emotional clarity.
Yes.
Though with younger bachas, of course, we cannot say that, oh, their emotional quotient,
Mhm.
But what I mean, I hope you're able to understand
Yeah.
that I am talking about making them understand that they are a part of a larger ecosystem
True.
right from their very childhood.
Mhm.
They have to know that.
Yes.
This reminds me of a very beautiful interview that I recently, saw. This was of Mrs. Arundhati Roy, and what she said really struck me hard. She said, "Is it really that important to be over-informed? Is it not unnatural to be over-informed?" I think it is. This is what she said, that it is more important for the children to know what bird is it, or what plant is it, or what my neighbor is doing next door, rather than getting informed, having truckloads of information day in, day out. So that is what we have to protect our children from.
Yes. True.
So that is where we have to balance the thing. Balancing is very, very important.
Initially, 20 years before, I think 10 years before also, we used to have joint families.
Joint families.
And raising a child in a joint family is much better than a nuclear family.
Yes, certainly.
You don't think so?
Certainly. Well, so again, I'll say both have their own pros and cons.
Pros and cons.
Because in joint families, I also realized that a lot of energy was getting drained into keeping everybody happy, which
true.
also was a huge pressure on a person, on an individual. Sometimes joint families would take away your individuality. That was also a part of it. But then again, when we look at it, the advantages were far more heavier
Yes.
than disadvantages. So a child would certainly be raised different in a joint family.
Right, because somewhere I've heard this line,
Yes.
कि a child needs a village to grow.
Oh, yes. I think that very study on longevity also talks about the same, that the longest living people on earth were those who had stronger community ties.
Correct.
And who had their families around to take care of their emotional, physical, all needs. I mean,
Right.
Yes.
And that's why we see village child is more stronger. Right.
More confident in terms of being strongly rooted.
Strongly rooted.
Well, a city kid certainly, could be having a strong personality in terms of communication skills, in terms of charm, smartness. But when it comes to having that core confidence, then a child who has been, again, as you said, has been raised by a village will have more confidence at the end of the day. Which brings me to another thing, that, we are not allowing our children to be strong. We're not allowing them to be tough.
Right.
Probably we are being overprotective. We are being overprotective as parents. We are being overprotective as educators and administrators also. In our own schools, we are telling everybody, बच्चे को ये नहीं कहो, बच्चे को वो मत कहो, डांटना नहीं है, घूरना नहीं है, ये सब चीजें. See, I do understand that, the today's generation is very sensitive. किसने बनाया sensitive?
हम लोगों ने.
हम ही ने बनाया सेंसिटिव, हमारे सेटअप ने बनाया सेंसिटिव. अगर हम अभी नहीं समझे इस चीज को, तो हम जब समझेंगे थोड़ा लेट हो सकता है, कि उस टाइम पे थोड़ा लेट हो जाए, बिकॉज दैट द काइंड ऑफ शील्डिंग, वी आर शील्डिंग आवर चिल्ड्रन फ्रॉम टफ सर्कमस्टांसेस, टफ इमोशनल चैलेंजेस. कुछ होता नहीं है जिससे पहले हम एकदम सामने आ जाते हैं कि नहीं 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 बच्चे को ये नहीं. I think we are weakening our children to some extent.
But best part which your school, which our RPS school is doing is training them in meditation and yoga.
शुरुआत मेडिटेशन से करते हैं, right at the time of, right after the prayer, and it is mandatory. Can you believe, एक grade 1 का बच्चा, if the teacher by chance is engaged with something very important and she forgets the meditation, the child would go up to her and my teachers are saying, ma'am, हम कैसे भूल सकते हैं, ये भूलने ही नहीं देते हैं. They will jump and come to us and ma'am meditation करना है.
Wow.
You know,
Because they are
so
enjoying it.
जी,
है ना?
they are enjoying it
Hmm.
because it is something natural. Why would a child not enjoy something natural?
Yes, correct.
Yeah. So I think ये एक छोटी सी शुरुआत कहने को है, but I was telling my team that if you continue this till grade 12, you are going to give a great gift to a child for life.
Yeah, for life. True.
जी.
My nephew is studying in your school. Just 4-year-old child.
Oh wow.
And we asked him to do yoga poses and he was able to do.
Oh, amazing, amazing. Supreet sir, whichever RPS branch you go to,
Yeah.
you will see that yoga is being done in word and spirit in an amazing way. छोटे छोटे बच्चे आरपीएस की ब्रांचेस में इस तरह से योगा कर रहे हैं, आप अमेज्ड हो जाते हैं. हमारी धारवाड़ा ब्रांच में अभी मैंने सुना कल एक छोटा सा बच्चा, आर मैनेजमेंट वाज शेयरिंग दैट यू नो छोटा सा बच्चा और जितनी खूबसूरती के साथ उसने योगा किया, यू नो इतने डिफिकल्ट पोजेस, द सूनर दे डू इट द बेटर दे डू इट.
True.
So yoga is really a big hit at RPS. So ये कुछ चीजें हैं जो मुझे लगता है कि हमेशा से हमारी रूट्स में
Yeah.
रही हैं. हम क्यों इन चीजों को इग्नोर करें?
Hmm.
यू नो ये चीजें हमारी स्ट्रेंथ है, हमारी
Yeah.
हमारी इंडियननेस की स्ट्रेंथ है.
मेरे स्कूल में भी होता तो it
जी.
would have been great.
वाओ
तो कुछ चीजें हम बहुत अच्छी कर रहे हैं.
वाओ वाओ, really this is a huge motivation for my team.
Yeah.
I'll certainly compliment the yoga teacher for that.
मार्क्स ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है या स्किल्स बच्चों के लिए?